Okay, here's a familiar story. You're new to town, you've been here a few months, and you need to see the dentist. So friends are giving you referrals, but no one is taking new patients. So, Nikki, what do? I ask myself. I'm in the same quandary. Well, Albuquerque Dentist Dr. Martin Goebbel with Southern Blvd Dental Center in Rio Rancho joins us this morning to help us answer the questions. Welcome back.
Thank you.
It's really nice to have you with us today.
Pleasure to be here.
And I think you can answer this burning question because really a lot of us, I'm not the only one, who wants to know, how do you actually choose the right dental office for you?
In our digital age, you can research your offices online.
True.
You can look at the smartphones. I mean, it goes with you wherever you are.
Yes.
The best way to pick an office is through a referral.
Okay.
Once you've chosen an office, there are some things that you can look at that will help you determine if you're in the right place.
Okay, so what are some of those things?
Compatibility with the staff. Friendliness of the staff.
That is so important, isn't it, Dr. Goebbel? Because I think a lot of people are intimidated just thinking about going to the dentist, but when they have that friendly customer service with the staff, it does alleviate a lot of that fear.
It sure does help. Having a dentist that's going to listen to your concerns. Dentistry has come so far in the last 10 years.
Sure has.
The technology is phenomenal. In our office, we offer to patients the opportunity to come and tour the office before they even make an appointment.
Oh, that's a great idea.
They get to meet the staff, they see what technologies we have, and they see if they fit.
I like that. And it's like you said, compatibility is so important because I think, you know, like I said, there is a fear associated a lot with going to the dentist. There's a fear of pain. But when you have that relationship with the staff and with your dentist, you sometimes feel a little less nervous because you know you're going to see somebody that you trust.
Well, that's the biggest part of it. And once you find that office, most patients will stay there for indefinitely.
So for you personally, I would imagine you probably have a clientele that's a loyal group of people who have been with you for years.
I've been in practice for 23 years.
Yes.
And I've had patients that are still with me after that period.
Isn't that rewarding for you?
It feels wonderful.
Yes.
And new patients are always welcome in our office.
Well, now that's the thing, because as I mentioned in the intro, a lot of us are looking for dental offices and they're not taking new patients because it's so in demand. We all need a dentist. So I would imagine that that's the #1 question is, are you taking new patients? So you've answered yes?
Yes.
So that's a thumbs up for that. That's good. Now here's the next question a lot of people are asking is, how do I pay? How do you pay for these services?
Well, most offices are now offering some type of a financing option. Our office has what's called Care Credit.
Okay.
And it can be no interest for up to a year.
Wow, that's great.
We obviously work with the dental, they call it dental insurance, but it's not truly insurance.
What is it?
Well, if you look at dental insurance, it's really a benefit.
Right.
It came into vogue in 1967.
Okay.
And at that time, it was a $1,000 benefit. Today, most companies have a $1,000 benefit, and some have gone up to $1,500. And with the economy the way it is, some have actually gone down.
I bet.
We obviously want to maximize the use of that benefit.
For sure.
But in 1967, a crown for a tooth cost $90. Today, they're anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000.
Wow. So you want to use those benefits. And I want to let everybody also know, while you're looking at the screen, that Southern Blvd Dental is located at 2716 Southern Blvd in Rio Rancho. The number to call is 892-8600. You can also email them at admin@sbdental.com. And I want to thank you so much, Dr. Martin Goebbel, for being with us and also for reminding us that we can come in for a free visit and consultation, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
And thank you for for giving us a reason to smile. We like that. And just ahead, we're headed back to the kitchen where the chef from San Diego's at the base of the Sandia Tram is fast at work with a creation to tantalize our taste buds. And I'll have my floss handy.